Okay everyone, welcome to Q Skills 1 Listening and Speaking Unit 3. In this topic we will look at the grammar be going to. We use be going to talk about the future, usually about our future plans. So any plans we made in the past or now we say going to. For example, I am going to play football. We are going to eat together. You are going to come with me. Okay guys, please take note of how we use the verb, always after to. So we could use any sort of these pronouns. So we look at the subject, I am going to, and then any of these verbs. She is not going to drive. You are not going to eat. Okay, so guys, please take note of this. We can also use be going to ask a question. Okay, so in the slide before, we looked at a simple sentence. So you are going to play. How do I turn this into a question? We swap the subject with the verb to be. So as you can see here, guys, how we swap it, it becomes are you going to play? With this kind of question, guys, we use yes or no answers for this. Now, if we want more information, then we have to ask a question that starts with WH. So I'm going to use the same sentence that we used here. So you are going to play. Question, are you going to play? For more information, where are you going to play? What are you going to play? Why are you going to play? When are you going to play? Can you see what we're doing here? Now, when we use who, guys, please remember to write with at the end. Okay, so who are you going to play with? With these questions, guys, you can get more information. Okay. So we use be going to ask questions like this. So the verb to be with the subject. Can you see how we swapped around? Okay, so instead of I am going to play, we use am I going to play? Is he going to eat? Are we going to work? So all you have to do is swap the verb to be with the subject. Now, how do we make the information questions? Now, the same way how we use a normal question, how we make a normal question, we just have to add the WH word in front of it. So what am I going to play? When is he going to eat? Where are you going to work? And remember guys, when we use who, don't forget to write with at the end of it. I just added how because we could use this for the same sort of style. We can use it in the same way. Okay guys, for this activity, please read the email and look at the verb for each question. Make sure you write the correct subject, the correct verb to be, and the verb to go with it. Okay, for example, here we have join, so it becomes I'm going to join. This should take you no more than 5 minutes. Please pause the video and continue. Okay, so for those who have finished, make sure you have paused the video. For those who have finished, I will continue with the answers. Guys, if you got them all correct, well done. If not, please go back to the slides and continue to read. And then try again. For this activity, I need you all to look at these 4 questions. You have to make the question that we looked at from using these words. Example could be, What are you going to do this weekend? So can you see we have the verb to be and also going to. Guys, please make more questions using these. This should take you 5 minutes. After that, I will check the answers. Okay, make sure you have paused the video. We will check the answers now. And here we go, guys. If you got it correct, then well done.